Hi everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix British Airways app not working. So if you're currently having problems that your British Airways app that is not working for you and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Because actually I had the exact same problem myself and this is how I fixed it. I firstly closed the British Airways app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in the settings app, I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general as you can see. So I just clicked on general. I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on storage. So now on storage, you're going to swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So just click on search. Now you're going to search for British Airways and click on it. Then you're going to click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Now just simply wait for your British Airways app to completely update to its latest version. As you can see, it says loading. It is quite fast in general, to be honest. So just wait, and when it's done, go back into the app and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.